Are your candles looking a little rough? There are two main strategies to achieving smooth candle tops: repair and prevention. But first off, what causes rough or bumpy candle tops? There are three main culprits: temperature shifts, air in the wax, and fragrance oil ingredients. If you're seeing rough or bumpy tops in your candles, here are some things to try to prevent them. Experiment with your pour temperature. Be sure to take note of the wax manufacturer's recommended pour temperature and try that first. Should rough tops occur at that temperature, try pouring 5 to 10 degrees warmer. If there are lab notes available for the wax you'll be using, you can check those out to get some more information about how the wax should look and perform. Control the room temperature. Aim to make your candles in a temperature-controlled space, usually anywhere between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. A consistent ambient room temperature away from drafts allows the candles to cool evenly. Elevate the candles. The surface your candles cool on can affect how they appear. Pour your candles on racks that are raised up from the work surface to encourage steady, even cooling. If you don't have cooling racks, no problem. You could also try letting your candles cool on corrugated cardboard. The pockets in the cardboard should allow air circulation under the candles. Preheat your vessels. Warm your containers to about 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring the wax in. This helps lessen the effects of hot wax going into cold jars and can allow the candles to cool more evenly. Minimize the presence of air. Stir the wax gently when adding fragrance to minimize air bubbles. By the same token, pour the wax slowly into your vessels. Fragrance oil. If fragrance oil is causing the issue, you can typically try using a lower fragrance load or adding it to your wax at a slightly higher temperature. If you've tried everything and you're still not happy with how the candle tops look, there is a quick and easy fix: a heat gun. A quick blast of a heat gun usually takes care of any surface issues like an uneven top or sinkholes. A quick note: if you're working with soy wax, while you can absolutely achieve smooth tops after pouring, once a soy candle has been burned, it is likely to recool to a rough, uneven surface, and that's totally normal. This is a sign that you're using a natural wax and it does not affect the burn or quality of your candles.